Do you want to learn how to install Drupal on cPanel using Auto Installer? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to install Drupal on cPanel using Softaculous Auto Installer. Coming up. This is Sadiq here at Dikupages Web, where I do web tutorials just like this one. So if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing. So we want to learn how to install Drupal on cPanel using an auto installer. So I've logged into my cPanel and I'm using Speedy Connect Direct Admin cPanel. If you want to check out Speedy Connect web hosting, I'll link it up in the description below. They offer unlimited share hosting services. That said, let's get started. So I'll scroll down to Extra Features. And then I'll click on Softaculous Auto Installer. Then I go to Portal/CMS. Then I choose Drupal. Install now. This is the current version of Drupal 9.1.5, but I want to use Drupal 7. So I'll choose it. And I want to install it on a subdomain, which is drupal.dikupages.com. So I choose it. So in here, you don't do anything. Site name, you enter the name of your site. So I'll say Dikupages. Admin account, I'll change the admin account to my own name, Sadiq. And then the password, I'll change it. First of all, I'll hide it. Then admin email, I want to put my personal email. Okay. Now under advanced options, you don't do anything. Just leave it as it is. Then click on install. So Drupal will install in some few seconds. I'm doing this in a real time. That's it. Congratulations, the software was installed successfully. So if you want to view your website, just click on this link here. And in here, you can log in to your website using the login details you specify during the installation. So that's it on how to install Drupal on cPanel using Softaculous Auto Installer. If you find value in this video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and also enable the notification bell so that each time I post a Drupal related video on this channel just like this one, you'll be the first to know. Until then, peace.